Hey anglers, welcome to the channel. I'm Mitch and this is Mitch Outdoors. Today we're diving deep into the world of baitcaster reels. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just getting started, understand how these reels work can make a huge difference in your fishing experience. So let's dive in. Now, baitcaster reels are a favorite among many anglers for their precision and control. Unlike the spin reels, baitcasters have a unique set that might seem a bit intimidating at first, but fear not, I'll break it down for you. At the heart of the baitcaster reel, we have the spool. This is where your fishing line is loaded. Now pay attention because this is where the magic happens. When you cast, the spool spins, releasing the line. But how do we control it? That's where these buttons and knobs come into play. First up, we have the brake system. It's usually located on the side here. It's crucial for preventing backlash, also known as the dread's bird's nest. Adjusting the brake controls the speed at which the spool spins during the cast. Beginners usually start with a higher brake settings to avoid the backlashes. Usually it's labeled, you can see it says max, and then on the other side it says minimal. All you gotta do is just twist it, and you can hear it. Right there's max. Now some baitcaster reels such as this one comes with a magnetic braking system. This system uses magnets to control the speed of the spool during a cast. Normally we can get into that with just this little lever right here on this one. So pop that up, carefully pull this apart, and there you can see it. Pretty cool, huh? Now the adjustment is typically done through a dial on the side plate, the minimal and max. Go ahead and slap that back on. Now the higher magnetic settings provide more resistance, reducing the chance of backlashes. The lower settings allow for a longer cast but require a little more skill. Now your baitcaster may not come with a magnetic braking system. Instead it has a centrifugal braking system. Let's talk a little bit about that. Instead of magnets, this system relies on a small brake shoes or weights located inside the side dial. As the spool spins faster during the cast, these weights move outward, creating friction, slowing down the spool. Now adjusting these brakes is usually done through the small dial on the side plate, just like this one. Engaging more brake shoes increases the resistance, making it easier to control your cast. Again, find the right balance may take some trial and error, but once you get the hang of it, you appreciate the added control these systems offer. Even the most experienced anglers face backlashes occasionally. If this happens, don't freak out. Here's a quick tip. Place your thumb lightly on the spool during the cast. It adds a bit of a drag and can help prevent these backlashes. Next, we have the tensioning knob. It's usually located right on this side here. This controls the tightness of the spool. A well-adjusted tensioning knob ensures a smooth and controlled cast. You're going to want to play around with it until you find that sweet spot for your lure weight and casting style. If this video helped you, hit that subscribe, and if you could, hit that like.